Sometimes I wonder, do I really belong in this fast-paced world?
Relax. Some people are born to be leaders, and some are born to open a snack bag without tearing the side. You belong to the second group.
So, am I destined to play the loyal customer at this cafe for the rest of my life?
Haha. At least the security guard greets you with, "Welcome back, son." That's a title of its own.
I think I really suit the seaside.
Because you like the color blue?
No, because I live as slowly as the tide.
Oh, is that a compliment or a verbal slap in the face?
I'd like to think it's contemplation.
Tides rise and fall on schedule, but your texts, it's like they're sent by medieval carrier pigeon. I ask, "Have you eaten?" 3 hours later, you reply, "Yes." Did you go harvest some rice before replying?
I was just double-checking if I actually had. As for you, you walk as if you're racing a NASA deadline.
I hate hesitation.
The other day, you dragged me across the street like I was a lost suitcase.
That's because you were standing in the middle of the road just to look at a cat.
It was cute, though.
A green light is even cuter.
Don't you find adults getting weirder? As kids, we thought we'd do great things, but now we just worry about whether we unplug the iron.
Haha, spot on. Yesterday, I even turned the car around halfway just to check the outlet.
And
It was unplugged, but I still felt uneasy.
I used to check if the door was locked 3 times, then wake up at 2 a.m. just to check a 4th time.
You're the ambassador of low self-trust.
But it's comfortable sitting here, no one rushing me.
Except for me.
I didn't say it, you admitted it yourself. You order drinks faster than people can read the menu.
Because I know what I want. As for you, well, you're just like this menu.
Do you mean diverse?
I mean looking at it forever without knowing what to pick.
Haha, you're a pro at roasting me.
No, I just think you're too soft, always saying whatever. But you know, whatever is the fastest way to lose yourself.
That sounds like high-end therapy. How much does it cost?
Pay with pastries. I already ordered 3 for you.
I see. So you've had the therapy route planned out all along.
I always have a plan. So, do you feel old yet?
Old in the soul? I've started finding those cleaning videos oddly healing.
Oh no. You're becoming a middle-aged man.
What about you? Don't think I didn't see you watching 45 minutes of non-stick pan reviews on your story.
You follow me?
You posted it publicly. The caption, "This pan changed my life. Normal people don't get moved by a pan like that."
Adults do.
Then I conclude, we're beyond saving. Do you think the sea is like life?
Getting philosophical again?
No. I was going to say, it has calm days, stormy days, and most importantly, it's salty.
Is killing the mood your full-time job?
I'm just afraid if you keep going, piano music will start playing like in a soap opera. But, thank you. No matter how tired I am, having moments like this to reset is worth it.
Agreed. Finished your drink?
I'm only halfway, and you're already done.
That's because you talk too much.
I'm building conversational, emotional depth.
You're getting lost in a maze of content.
Hey Emma, shall we come back here tomorrow?
Depends.
Depends on what?
Depends on whether you can open this snack pack without spilling it all over yourself.
My life is truly being manipulated by a snack.
Looking at your face right now, it's like your laptop is your number one enemy.
Not an enemy, it's a creditor. And what it's collecting isn't money, it's peace.
Group project again?
Group deadline, hell, in collective form.
How many people in the group?
5. And if you count work efficiency, it's probably -2.
-2? Are you doing math or archaeology?
One ninja who disappears, one who only drops a like icon, one who says let me check, and the last one sends daily prayer stickers. I'm not doing a project, I'm running a petting zoo.
Haha, what role do you play in that zoo?
The desperate zookeeper.
Fits you well, but honestly, the more I study, the more reality just slaps me in the face. As kids, we thought university was about high-level intellectual debate.
The reality is arguing over what to name the final file.
And even final. Okay, I once had a file named Final, New, okay, this one.
I'm better. I sent an empty file. The professor messaged back. Do you want me to imagine the content myself? I just wanted to leave the planet right then and there.
Haha, at least you submitted something. I once completely forgot a deadline.
A time management robot like you forgot.
I'm human too. That day, I was so confident. I was eating snacks, binge watching movies, living very chill, thinking the deadline was Friday. Turns out,
Thursday?
11 p.m., I saw the group chat asking, "Did you submit?" My soul literally left my body. I jumped out of bed like in a horror movie.
The result?
A big fat 0. But I learned a big lesson. Never trust your own brain.
That's deep. Social media has been stressing me out lately. Seeing people interning, earning money, gymming at 5 a.m., while I stay up until 2 a.m. watching how to sleep early effectively.
Haha, you have potential if you only knew how to use it in the right place.
Thanks for that vague compliment. But really, sometimes I feel like I'm lagging behind.
Everyone has moments where they feel useless. Me included. I'm just good at playing the calm character.
So when you're super stressed, what does actress Emma do?
I walk. I wander around, sometimes going into a supermarket just to enjoy the free AC. What about you?
I put on headphones, play epic music, and pretend I'm starring in a music video. Wind blowing, hair flowing, the lonely protagonist in the city, until I step in a puddle and some lady passes by, giving me a look of pure pity.
Life sure knows how to bring you back to reality.
Hey, 8 a.m. study, 9 a.m. drink water, 9:10 continue existing. Are you controlling your breathing too?
That's what organized people do.
No, this is taking control of life a bit too far. But it's kind of cute. I mean, the notebook is cute.
Ah, right. I didn't say anything.
Speaking of which, the funniest thing is finishing a chapter, thinking you're a professor. Then, you get into the exam room.
You read the first question and feel the sound of ocean waves hitting your brain. All the words just vanish.
Exactly. I guess the lecturer saw I was trying my best to be a good person, so they passed me.
Hey, I think we're just too stressed. No one is perfect.
You know, talking to you makes me feel so much lighter.
Because I'm funny?
No, because, around you, I feel like I don't have to try to be perfect. I just need to be myself, with all those failed final files.
Do you find it weird? Some people you meet for a few times and feel like you've known them in a past life, while others you've known for a year and still feel like strangers.
I think it's because of the sense of safety. Being with someone where you don't have to try to be interesting, that's a luxury.
Haha. So you're saying I'm boring, which is why you feel safe?
Don't make such a sharp turn. My heart just ran a marathon.
You're so easily panicked. But hey, have you ever felt lonely even in a crowd?
Sure, it feels like being a broadcast station that lost its signal. Everyone is talking and laughing, while I'm just adrift.
Me too. People who joke around are often the ones best at hiding their emotions. And you're a master at hiding behind a smile.
You observe too closely. That's dangerous.
Because I'm curious.
Haha. All right then. I've been tired lately, confused about whether I'm on the right path or just running on inertia.
At this age, who isn't just a child pretending to be an adult? Trying to act brave while the mind is as chaotic as a corrupted final file.
True. Turns out adults are just children who know how to pay bills and like ginger tea.
Haha, don't forget the back pain.
Emma, do you believe in right-on-time people? You know, when you're exhausted, they appear and make everything feel lighter.
That sounds like a romantic movie script. But I think there are people who make a bad day less bad.
I like that. Have you ever liked someone and didn't dare to say it?
Are you asking me or confessing yourself?
Both.
I'm not good at hiding my feelings, but the more important it is, the harder it is to say. The scariest thing is that person suddenly leaving. From being close to being strangers, that feeling is not pleasant at all.
I hate that feeling. But you know, I believe there are connections that don't easily disappear. The wind. The wind is so strong.
Haha. Yes, so smooth of you.
Let me have some dignity back.
Not left, it fell into the sea.
Haha, I feel like time flies. When I'm with you, an hour feels like 5 minutes.
Where did you get that caption? TikTok, right?
I swear I thought of it myself.
I know.
When we first met, I thought you were the cold, unapproachable type.
And now?
Now I think you're like a lost golden retriever, adorable and hard to understand.
Haha. Is that a compliment or an insult?
It's recognition.
Hey, tomorrow, let's come here again.
If you're not afraid of me facing that impossible snack bag again,
I'll bring scissors tomorrow.
then there's no reason to refuse.